In February 2025, at Rafael Núñez International Airport in Cartagena, Colombia, airport security made a bizarre discovery. A 40-year-old man from Pereira was attempting to board a flight to Amsterdam, but something caught the attention of officers. During a routine scan, an unusually shaped bulge beneath his wig. When security removed the wig, they uncovered 19 capsules filled with cocaine, glued directly to his scalp. The total weight, 220 grams, worth over $10,000 on the European black market. Authorities say the man was trying to sneak the drugs into the Netherlands, where demand for cocaine remains high. But this wasn't his first time. The suspect already had 2 previous convictions for drug trafficking. Now, he faces serious charges: manufacturing, trafficking, and possession of narcotics. If convicted, he could spend over 10 years behind bars. Officials praised the alertness of airport security and said this seizure prevented hundreds of doses of cocaine from reaching the streets of Europe. It's a reminder of the extreme and often absurd lengths smugglers will go to, and the constant vigilance needed to stop them. Stay safe, stay aware.